Machine Learning Basics. What is machine learning? Introduction to machine learning. Humans learn from past experiences while machines follow instructions. So humans train machines to learn from past data, and that's what machine learning is all about. Hey, make sure to subscribe to this channel for machine learning and data science videos. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and machine learning enhances machines with the ability to learn autonomously based on observation and analysis within a given data set without specific programming. Machine learning types. 1. Supervised learning. This deals with regression and classification whereby algorithms learn from the relationship between specific inputs and outputs based on training data and human feedback. 2. Unsupervised learning. Mostly clustering and dimension reduction where algorithms analyze data from trends and patterns without being given a specific output, variable, or human feedback. 3. Reinforcement learning. A model-free and model-based aspect of machine learning where the algorithm learns over time to maximize returns based on the rewards it receives for performing certain actions. Over to applications of machine learning. 1. Robotics engineering. Machine learning has improved automation, which has become a major part of robotics engineering, with repetition of multiple tasks involving collection of large data for improvement processes. 2. Healthcare. ML has improved the healthcare industry through EHR or electronic health records to improve predictive medical care, radiology, cognitive decisions, AI-assisted robotic surgery, virtual health assistance for patients, customer support, genetics, and genomics. 3. Gaming. The sector has improved so much with the help of machine learning algorithms, positioning the motion gaming by analyzing subsequent moves of opponents and readjusting itself according to level of play amongst opponents. 4. Driverless cars. Driverless cars collect a lot of user data in form of real-time images and videos of traffic variations with the help of its sensors. So by automation of data collected, machine learning based on information collected commutes to various positions with the help of GPS, global positioning systems. 5. Image and speech recognition. Image recognition means identifying and detecting objects through a digital platform such as digital image or video, while speech recognition deals with recognizing speech patterns despite your inability to type on your device and convert voice requests to text. With the invention of product services such as Google Voice, Cortana, Siri, Amazon Echo, etc., machine learning has been very helpful in making sure past data collected are translated into meaningful use for consumers by improving image recognition with the use of image datasets, computer vision, and image recognition softwares, and so on. Hey, comment and share interesting examples of machine learning applications around you. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.